All right, so I just wanted to show how we do some shoulder adjustments with Pierre here. Pierre's had some pretty big changes with your shoulders, haven't you?
Yes, I have.
Yeah. So this is how we do it. So if you bring your arm out there, buddy. Perfect. Beauty. We'll do the same on this side. Awesome. Good. Now that quick little adjustment, why don't you tell everybody how that's changed for you?
The range of motion and not having pain while I'm doing sports, throwing the ball, any of those types of things, playing golf, dramatically reduced to where I don't really notice it anymore.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
And it takes 10 seconds.
Exactly.
I love it. Thanks for sharing that.